Hi guys, I'm Ben Beps and welcome to my 2022 recap video. 2022 was all in all a very productive year for me. I have had more brand work, more client work, more shoots, more travel than any other year before. Honestly, that's because of the goals I set at the start of the year and the hard work I've put in to achieve them. I remember at the start of the year in my 2022 goal setting video, I said I wanted to achieve 5 trips by the end of the year to produce content in different countries. And I've been to the Netherlands, Portugal, France and Switzerland, technically 1 trip but could be counted as 2, Latvia and Norway, as well as America with family. So 7 trips, 6 of which this year, 5 or 6 of which were to shoot content. So in literally just that, I smashed my absolute main goal for this year, and as well as that I have made more money, except I don't really see much more of that money because I'm spending more to travel and produce content. However, it's a scalable business and I'll be able to improve that and increase on that in the years to come. So I've made progress in that department, and also just in my enjoyment of producing content and traveling. The only thing I'm lacking on is YouTube, but I'm here now, so we're all good. I have put together kind of what I did last year as a recap video, except instead of going month by month, it's just a compilation of my best clips, etc., showing what I got up to during 2022, and it's something I can look back on as a cinematic film more like in future, rather than a step-by-step what I did throughout the year. This is a video I'm extremely proud of. It's shots which I'm extremely proud of, which I've shot throughout the year in multiple different places with multiple different people on multiple different cameras, and can definitely be used as a reel which I can pitch to brands, showing what I'm capable of in the future. So without further ado, this is my 2022 recap video.
lights go out, you still got me. Oh, 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 oh. Detours lead to barricades, and home is for your friends are fake. I'll be there to clear the way. Oh, 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 oh. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down.
At the start of the year, I also said that I wanted to refine my friendship circle and the people who I'm close with. I don't really think I've done that, however, I'm not ashamed of that. I've made lots of new friends and met new people at work, doing different shoots and stuff, and improved my relationships with people who I was already friends with at the start of the year. And therefore, I think that goal was also achieved. I met lots of people doing photography in itself. I've met friends such as Bart, Adam, Tony, people who I already knew going into this year, but now I know them a lot better, as well as new photographers who I've met on walking tours, such as the one I did a week ago, and also shooting in different countries and stuff like that. People who I've got to model for me and travel with me and just meet up locally as well, doing shoots and stuff. So I'm very grateful for all of these new connections throughout the year, and I'm very, very proud of the progress I've made in my photography business. And going into the new year, I definitely want to continue growing my photography and videography business, as well as expanding my freelancing capabilities, such as doing copywriting, social media management and stuff like that. In terms of travel photography, which has always been a long-term goal, I want to continue doing that. I want to do more trips next year than I did this year, or if I don't do more trips, then do the same amount of trips, but either longer duration of the trips or to more exotic places like outside of Europe maybe. As well as specific goals and stuff, I've also achieved stuff this year which I have wanted to achieve but didn't exactly specify that I wanted to achieve it this year, if that makes any sense. So I saw the Northern Lights, which was one of the things I've always wanted to see, which I didn't get to see when we went to Finland a few years ago, and I did finally get to see in Norway and create time lapses also. It's better I saw them now than a few years ago because I have the production capabilities to capture it and use it digitally for years to come now. I also went to, on the same trip as seeing Northern Lights, I went to Tromsø in Norway, which has been the #1 place on my bucket list for so long. As well as this, I went to Switzerland. It hasn't been on my bucket list that highly, however it's actually higher on my bucket list now that I've been, as I want to go back. I've been 2 or 3 times now already, but going there in the way that I went this year with my photography and stuff blew my mind as to how beautiful Switzerland was as a country, and how much I was missing out on just going for swimming pool and hotel holidays before. Hiking through the mountains is so much fun, and that's why mountains are one of my favourite terrains. Incredible landscape to shoot in. And the social media side of it, I haven't grown as much as I wanted to on my social media this year. YouTube side of things, I just don't post enough. That's something, like I said last year, I do need to improve again going into the new year. work harder on, but as I travel more and have more opportunities to produce content, that should happen. I just need to refine how efficient I am at catching up with editing and pumping out the content from these trips I'm doing. That's the only thing I really think I need to work on. Once I've nailed that, I'll be producing content very consistently. And Instagram, I just need to engage more with other people. I post photos almost every day. I do get quite good reach at the moment. I just don't put in the time engaging with people to actually grow a community on Instagram. So that's something I need to improve. However, I'm not upset at my lack of social media growth this year, as I know it will improve next year, and with hard work, it's a pretty simple goal to build compared to other things. All in all, that has been everything for 2022. I really hope you enjoyed this recap video, a bit of talking of me, saying how I've got on, and obviously all the cinematic shots, etc., which I am incredibly proud of. Every single shot in there, I am so happy with how I've edited it as well, the color grading. Yeah, I'm really proud of this video. Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new. I really hope to see you on this channel going into the new year. Turn on notifications so that when I do post in the new year, and I post more in the new year, you don't miss any of those videos. And I will see you in the next one. Hasta luego. Camera's too far away for me to do mine. Hold on. Hasta luego.